So the issue was like PowerShell I have deleted and then it started working fine. Let me show you. So npx playwright test and file name tag1 dot spec dot js and headed mode. Now I want to open in the Chromium browser, so and Chromium and hyphen grep. Here I'm going to provide a label name. So suppose this time I'm just going with the sanity here, sanity. So and close this. Now execute. Now getting error because Chrome and Firefox hyphen grep. Okay, let me execute again this one. Sometime PowerShell issue, like the previous one, it's taking the previous one, so that's why. Now check the spell, sanity and grep, grep, chromium. Let's see this time. Again, same issue I'm getting right now. Okay, just check with the smoke browser. Chromium and then hyphen grep and space quote. This time I'm taking smoke and let's see. Okay, now it's passed somewhere. Okay, you can see 3 passed because in 3 tests smoke is labeled like test 1 and then test 3 and then test 4. So that's why it passed 3 times. You can see this regression smoke, sanity smoke and smoke only. So in this way you can execute the specific test if you want. And suppose so if you want to multiple test execute, so how you can do that? So let me write this, and now after that what we need to do, just the command will be same like npx playwright test and file name and then headed and project chromium grep. And if we want to single test execute, like if you want to single test execute, so what you need to do, you have to provide the label name, single label name here. If you want to multiple test for execution, so what you need to do, hyphen grep and then first label, and then I'm just going to take the sanity, so @sanity and then close. Now execute this. Okay, now again it's showing the error of this because sometimes the same command it's taking, so that's why it's not able to execute. So you need to always delete the PowerShell and then again execute your code. So somewhere it's smoke. Let me check. Smoke. Okay, so yeah, one issue is here. Make sure the argument are regular expression. Okay, so now what we need to do, I have to separate with the pipe. So now just give the pipe and then @sanity and close the sanity. Now execute and see, this time it's executed. 4 tests passed. So this here is a smoke, like first test 1 you can see smoke, test 2 sanitary, test 3 smoke and sanitary and smoke, and here test 4 regression and smoke. So that's why it's got passed 4 tests. So if you want to multiple text execute, you can use the label name --grep @label name and separate with this pipe. If you want one more, you can use it, one more pipe, and give the label name. And suppose if you want to skip any test in a Playwright, so how you can do that? Just open this new terminal and use this. Only I'm going to change the, so suppose if you want to multiple test and you want to run everything except skip one test, so that time we need to give this command in the terminal, like grep --grep invert and provide the label name. Like suppose I'm going to skip smoke. So and execute. So you can see passed 1 because we have only one test here, like test 1 is smoke, test 2 we have sanity, test 3 we have sanity and smoke, and test 4 we have rig and smoke. So only one test will execute. So let's see. You can see here test 2, which is correct, test 2 sanity. So that means you can. So if you found this helpful, like the video and subscribe for more automation testing tutorial. See you in the next video.